Okay, y'all. First of all, I promise I wear different clothing. I got Sunny Angels. Okay. I've been looking for them all over because I guess they're not popular anymore. Everybody's into the fucking Labubus and shit, but whatever. I'm still a Sunny Angel bitch, okay? My son fell off. Okay, I don't know, what is this? A cantaloupe, okay? And I got Mr. Lamb up on the mirror, okay? Okay. We're about to figure this out. Okay. So, this one has a monkey, a rabbit, a fawn, a duck, a crocodile, a mouse, a sloth, a hamster, a cat, a koala, an elephant, and a French bulldog. Okay. I really want the hamster. And a secret. And I think the secret's a squirrel. Okay, see? This is the secret up here. See the little tail? I think it's a squirrel. Okay. 20th anniversary. Sunny Angel. Let's see what's going on in here. It's not pre-opened, period. This is just a little... Okay. What is it? What is it? It feels like a unicorn. What's this? A monkey! Period. I got the monkey. So cute. Okay. Next one. Okay, this one is the animal series. Okay. We got zebra, chihuahua, giraffe, rhinoceros, toy poodle, French bulldog, loop ear rabbit, American short hair, parrot, macaw, crocodile, snake, a secret, and Robbie. Who the fuck is Robbie? Who the fuck is Robbie? Okay. I want the macaw, or the giraffe, or the zebra. Okay. The macaw, the giraffe, and the zebra. Okay. Oh, this bag is different. Woohoo! Also, I literally don't care if, oh, period, these have all the, maybe this one's the real one. I don't give a fuck if these are all fake. I don't care! Okay, so the monkey. Shit. Looks like I lost the bag. Okay. Ah! Fuck! I forgot to. Ah! I don't care. It's a snake! Period. Period. Okay. And this is, he's been through it, okay? He's a little busted. Okay, so far so good. I'm not liking the color scheme here. But, it's okay. Next one. Veggies, right? Oh no, the Harvest series. I got cherry, melon, pineapple, carrot, strawberry, pear, apple, mushroom, grape, radish, eggplant, tomato. Okay, I want the cherry, the pineapple, the mushroom, or the radish. Honestly, I'd be happy with any of these. That's why I got two. Ha! Okay. Also, these were only like $5, which is period. Orange. Stay on theme, I guess, with the fucking red, white, and orange. Pineapple! Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. I love this bitch. I love this bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, the next one. I really want the mushroom or the radish. This was the last one. Okay. Woo. I'm only on like 5 minutes. LOL. Okay. I haven't gotten a secret yet. I really want a secret. Okay. Is that better? I think it's the radish. Oh no, it's a fucking carrot. Period though. Period. Okay. To recap. Carrot. Pineapple. Snick. Monkey. Cantaloupe. Please drop in the comments what you think this is. I think it's a cantaloupe. I forgot. And the lamb. Okay, so my goal was I was gonna switch one of these out. What should I switch it out to? I wonder if I don't even think the pineapple would fit. I really want to switch it. These heads don't come off. Oh, this one does. Okay. Okay, and this one does. Okay, these aren't gonna fit anyway. Because they're too tall. The carrots, the heads don't come off. I like when the heads come off because I can switch them around. Okay. We're gonna put the snake up there. Actually, I don't know what's going on, but I can't zoom in. This is my little friend. I think I'm gonna keep him. Or should I put the snake up there? Or the monkey? I'll switch it to the monkey. Hold on. Period, Pootie. Period. Monkey's so cute. Okay. So that's all I have for you. Yep. Enjoy it. Toodles. Update. I put the pineapple over here and the monkey's still there. Period. Bye.